As soon as I pressed start, I was pretty amazed by what I saw. You can actually see particles coming off into the water. Almost immediately, the rust is starting to break down right now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out something a little bit different, but I think this is something super useful. This is the Life Basis CS1 Ultrasonic Cleaner. Quick disclaimer, I never used one before, so it's new to me as well. And this unit was sent to me for free in exchange for this review, but that won't change anything. My goal is to show you guys whether this actually works or it's worth the money. Right now you can find this on Amazon for around $50 Canadian, which I think it's pretty reasonable price for what it claims to do, again, if it works. So in the box you get the power cord, the ultrasonic cleaner itself, a watch holder for cleaning wristwatches, and a small basket for items like jewelry and other small accessories. So this is a small portable ultrasonic cleaner. The tank dimensions are about 6 by 3 by 2 inches. Again, designed for small items like jewelry, watches, glasses, and even small tools. Basically, if it fits inside the tank, you can probably clean it. But the big question is, does it actually work and it is worth buying? Let's go ahead and do some tests and find out. Before testing this, I did a bit of research on ultrasonic cleaners, and it turns out that there are actually a lot of fake ones on the market. Some of them don't even have a real ultrasonic transducer inside. Instead, they just use a small motor to create vibration, which can look like ultrasonic cleaning, but it's not the same thing at all. So I decided to open this unit up to make sure I'm not wasting time reviewing something fake. And as you can see here, there's a proper ultrasonic transducer mounted under the stainless steel tank, along with a power driver board. So that confirms that this is a legit ultrasonic cleaner, not just a vibrating box. Now that we know that it's the real deal, let me go ahead and show you the first test to see how well it actually works. For this first test, I'm using a method that commonly used to verify whether an ultrasonic cleaner is actually working properly. I fill the tank with water up to maximum level, then place a small piece of aluminum foil inside, as you can see right there. And the idea here is simple. If the cleaner is producing real ultrasonic waves, it will create a process called cavitation. That means tiny bubbles form and collapse rapidly, creating small perforation across the surface of the foil. I set the timer to the maximum, which is 480 seconds, and let it run. As you can see, I've sped up the footage here, but the process itself is completely unedited, so you can see the full results. And after the cycle is done, you can clearly see these tiny holes and marks across the foil. That's a good sign that the ultrasonic cleaner is working as intended. You can also see the tiny particles of aluminum foil in the water here, which is another good sign that the cavitation process is actually breaking down the surface of the foil. Now, let me show you the second test that I did. I grabbed some rusty screwdriver bits and bolts that had been sitting in my storage for a while. As you can see, there's quite a bit of rust on them. For this test, I'm only using water, no cleaning solution, just to see what it can do on its own. I replaced the tank with a clean water, of course, set the timer to the maximum 480 seconds again, and started the cycle. And honestly, as soon as I pressed start, I was pretty amazed by what I saw. You can actually see particles coming off into the water. Almost immediately, the rust is starting to break down right away. The ultrasonic cleaner produces a high-pitched noise, so if you are sensitive to the high frequencies, it's a good idea to wear earmuffs, as the sound can be quite uncomfortable. And here, the before and after comparison, judging for yourself, you can really see the difference. The water has turned a brownish color from the rust, and you can see some particles settled at the bottom of the tank. I also tried cleaning some of my wife's jewelries, and she was really happy with it. So no more scrubbing, just fill the tank with water, place your jewelry in the basket, press start, and you're done. Of course, you can run it longer if you want it deeper clean. You can add another 480 seconds if you want. And adding a proper cleaning solution to the water, I guess it will give you even better results, but again, I don't have one right now. So overall, for $50 Canadian, in my opinion, this ultrasonic cleaner is actually worth it, especially if you're regularly cleaning glasses, jewelry, or small tools. Just remember, it's great for light cleaning, but it won't restore heavily rusted or damaged items. And that's it for today's review. If you are interested, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find this useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.